Assalamu alaikum. I am Shahman, lecturer at Affordable International University. So, welcome to the course Introduction to Cloud Computing. Today, first of all, we are going to see what is our course description. As we know that in our modern days, for hosting any applications or website or any type of software, we need not need big offices or warehouse where we keep the server and used to do our things. But now cloud computing is introduced where you can hire or you can buy space or memory or you can access via internet. In this tutorial you will know about these things and first of all let us discuss about the course curriculum. Today we are doing lesson 1 which is about introduction and overview of the course. On our second lecture you will see the basics of cloud computing, history of cloud computing, evolution of cloud computing, characteristics of cloud computing, advantages of cloud computing, architecture of cloud computing infrastructure, cloud management in cloud computing, cloud storage and real world application in our lesson 1. On our lesson 3, on our lessons we will go for cloud deployment models, that is the models that are working currently now and types of cloud. And in our lesson 4 we will go for cloud service models, for example cloud based services, platform as a service, and software as a service, and also infrastructure as a service. On our chapter lesson 5 we'll go for cloud virtualization, where virtualization in cloud computing and difference between cloud computing and virtualization, pros and cons of virtualization in cloud computing. And our sixth lesson we will go for cloud service provider like Amazon, Azure, and Google platform, which we'll learn. And what is the objective of the course? Understanding the fundamental concepts and principles of cloud computing. For being a DevOps engineer, especially this course is designed for the people who are going to be DevOps engineer in near future, and so we need to know the course objective. So the first fundamentals and principles of cloud computing, you have to know everything about cloud computing. Then you will learn about various service models as infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service, and deployment models, public, private, hybrid in cloud computing. Gain insight into the benefits and challenges of adopting cloud computing for individual and organization. Explore different cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, Google platform, and their respective features and capabilities. Develop practical skills in deploying, managing, and scaling cloud-based infrastructure and services. Without practical skills, you cannot go through this course, because if you want to learn about cloud computing, you must know about practical skills. Examine security concept, best practice for ensuring data protection, compliance in the cloud. Then explore emerging consideration, best practice for ensuring data protection and compliance in the cloud. Explore emerging trends and innovation in cloud computing such as serverless computing and containers. Learn about cost management strategies and optimization techniques to maximize the efficiency of cloud management. Gain hands-on experience through lab exercise projects and case studies to reinforce theoretical concept and enhance practical proficiency. If we get time, and if after this course we will go through our second tutorial on AWS, where you can learn about practical knowledges. Prepare for industry certificate related to cloud computing such as AWS Solution Architect, Microsoft Certified, and Azure Administrator. Target audiences: IT professional, those who are working as IT professional and looking after various software development and system administrator, they must know about it. Business leader, managers and executive managers and organizer and people of the organization who are responsible of big duties, they must know about it. Students and academic, students who are studying in computer science and software engineering, they must know about those things, because without knowing this thing in modern era you cannot go ahead, because without cloud computing now every organization and internationally worldwide is using AWS and Google Cloud, etc. Entrepreneurs and startups companies must use cloud computing because it give you the minimum of the cost for development and other things. Freelancer and consultant, freelancer must know it, because buying cPanel or hosting for each and every project becomes difficult. But if you have an AWS account or Azure account, you can create your own server and you can host your own application. And those who are interested in any technology, cloud computing ranging from technical features to big, this basically cloud computing is not for any individual people or certain group of people. It is for everyone, those who are in IT industry, because they should know. And in the modern era, cloud computing has taken an important important part in development industry. So basic computer prerequisite, you must have basic computer skills, network fundamentals, operating system knowledge, storage concept, virtualization, programming skills, database fundamentals, security awareness, and familiarity with technologies, which we will see later on. And about instructor, it's about me. I'm Ishra Kumar, working as a lecturer in Daffodil International University for last 2 years. I have completed my BSc MSc in software engineering from American International University of Bangladesh, and SSC HSC details are given, and here is my digital signature. So this is all from my first lecture video. From the second lecture video, inshallah, we will go through the basics of cloud computing, serverless architecture, and many things. Thank you for giving me time. Assalamu alaikum.